Gonna be another quick tip video. How can you tell when your nectar flow is weaning or is over? Mine's not over, but it is not as robust as normal. I don't know if you can see all these bees. It's about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. This is a workshop. Yeah, it looks horrible, but now that I'm finally caught up after nuke sales and queen sales are going, I'll have more time to actually get the shop in order, get some of these frames melted down that I've culled out. You guys need to cull your frames. It's just a quick PSA. That old nasty black comb, you need to get it out of your hives. It's holding pesticides and contaminants and God knows what else. But this is just a quick tip video of how to tell when your flow is coming to an end, slowing dramatically down. 2 days ago, shop open. These are all empty frames. Those are brand new wax foundations from Premier. They're checking out. All those over there, all these here have been called out, need to be melted down in the solar wax melter. But 2 days ago, you might have found 1 or 2 bees in here. Yesterday, it picked up a little more. Today, about 2 o'clock, there's 1 or 2 bees checking it out. 3 o'clock is 20 or 30. You see how many's in here at, I think it's 5:30, 5:38. 5:38 in the afternoon. There's 67 colonies, I think, here at the house. You got a bunch of them in here checking out the workshop. So, this is your quick tip. How to tell. Put a frame of honey out. I'll show you that. I put some frames of honey, some old nasty comb that had honey that I took off the hive out here. Sat out here for a week. We had 1 or 2 bees checking it out. It got emptied yesterday. There was just nothing but a cloud of bees here, and I should have made a video of that. That's kind of how I tell when the flow is coming to an end, weaning off. Is everybody and their mothers in my workshop, checking out the workshop? This is a daily occurrence, all summer long. Until I get all those frames melted down and get all that wax smell out of there, they'll be in there every day checking the same old combs over and over and over. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, share, hit that thumbs up to help me with the algorithms for searching. Woolly bees.